is tutorial number 12, and it covers the face fillet feature within SOLIDWORks. For this tutorial, open up the fillet tutorial part, which I've included on the DVD. To do a face fillet, click Fillet, click Face Fillet, and all you have to do is click two different faces on the part. So let's click this face, and then click the second, and you make the fillet on the side. Click Accept, and you've made the fillet. Now let's do another one. Click Fillet, click Face Fillet, click this face, and click this face. And we're also able to make the fillet larger, and we're able to make it smaller. This one, let's make it 25 millimeters. Click Enter, click Accept, and we've made another face fillet. And this concludes our tutorial on the face fillet feature in SOLIDWORKS.